Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hello traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index climbed close to 99.9 on Wednesday, marking its fifth straight day of gains as traders reacted to the Federal Reserve's latest policy decision. As expected, the Fed kept the federal funds rate unchanged at 4.25 to 4.5%, but revised its economic outlook. Officials noted that recent indicators point to slower economic activity in the first half of the year, a shift from their earlier view of solid growth. WTI crude oil rose above $70 a barrel on Wednesday, holding at a 5-week high amid supply concerns. President Trump has pressed Russia to end the conflict in Ukraine, giving Moscow a 10-day deadline to present a resolution or face severe consequences. Such measures could disrupt global oil flows as major buyers weigh compliance risks. However, prices face some pressure after US government data showed an unexpected 7.7 million barrel increase in crude inventories against expectations of a 2 million barrel drawdown. Gold slipped below $3,300 an ounce on Wednesday, hitting a 1-month low after the Federal Reserve left interest rates unchanged at 4.25 to 4.5%, despite President Trump's calls for a cut. The decision, backed by 2 dissenting votes favoring a reduction, came with a cautious tone highlighting slower growth and heightened uncertainty. A stronger dollar added further pressure as traders pushed back their expectations for rate cuts this year. The yen weakened to 149.55 against the dollar on Wednesday, its lowest level since April, as the greenback gained following the Fed's decision to hold rates steady at 4.25 to 4.5%. Domestically, attention is turning to the Bank of Japan's upcoming policy meeting, where rates are expected to remain unchanged even as inflation forecasts may be revised higher. Political uncertainty lingers as calls grow for Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba's resignation, though he has vowed to stay on. The euro extended its losses against the dollar during the US session, sliding toward 1.14, its lowest level in nearly 6 weeks. The move came after the Fed voted to hold rates steady, with 2 members breaking ranks in favor of a quarter-point cut. Policymakers cited slower economic activity in the first half of the year, while unemployment remains low and inflation slightly elevated. The Fed reiterated its commitment to maximum employment and bringing inflation back to 2%.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.